Oh, it's huge! It's huge! Get the net! Let's go! Dude. Oh my god, dude, that's huge! Took this dirt road into this very seemingly hidden path where some guy at a gas station told us about this spot. He was just giving us all the info we could ask for. Oh my god, this is beautiful.
This is sick!
Holy, bro. Look at that. Look at those whitewater, bro. Oh my god, hold on, take a look. Look at that, man. I'm like scared to even be on this. It's so high up. Probably. Wow, that's wild. All right, so I guess this is the spot, man. We're gonna fish this. It's gold flake time, baby. We're gonna be using this. Dude, it's so nice being able to reach all the way over there. Before I just couldn't. I'm on. Oh yeah. Come here. Oh. He fell off the hook. Oh. That's a tiny little smallie. Oh, I took my worm off already. Come on, dude. All right, see you later. This is probably the coolest spot I think I've ever fished. Like, 100%. I can't think of anything more cool than that. Oh, this drops off like deep. Oh, I missed that.
You want to hold this? You can throw it.
Just go this way. Yeah, this is easier. Way easier. Oh, it gets deep. See that, guys? I'm in the water for you. Not really for you, for me. I want to catch some big old fishies. Oh, look at that stream. That rock is very slippery.
I'm just following these streams.
Oh, got one. Oh, there you are.
That's nice.
Yeah. Come on, come here. Oh, I thought you were gonna say fish, and I was like, hello, I'm right here. Oh, my rod's in the water.
And that's where I want to fly.
Yeah. All right. Just caught a little guy literally right in front of me, so I'll throw him back. All right, just take a look at how fast this water is. You get swept up in that, consider yourself done. Going?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you have the scale? Oh, we left the net over there.
Brody, are you kidding me? You have one job, Brody. Land it, Brody.
Just put it on the rock. Oh, nice one.
That line's super weak. Oh my god. Dude, let's go. Lip him, please. I don't want him to escape from my grab.
He's...
Yeah, you can take the hook out.
All right, don't hook me. Get this out of my face first.
Hold my red.
Do you want to lip him? There you go. Do you want a picture?
You can tag Guggen with the, what do you think, a pound maybe?
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Barrow, someone's just hooked onto a trout. He's fly fishing over there. Well, I mean, a guy who works at Cabela said, oh my god, are you kidding me? That's the smallest, that is the smallest smallmouth I've ever seen.
Are you kidding me? How did I catch him? Oh, there he goes.
You're here, old boy. That was straight up. That was not. Oh, actually. On. I see him moving. Oh, he's fast.
To me.
No, it's not that big.
Oh, dude, he looked big.
Yeah, it looked big, but it's not that big.
That's still pretty good.
Not bad. On the trout. What is this called?
Actually, you can bow flip it because your line's super good. It's just a trout lure. I mean,
Yeah.
it's kind of like a spoon.
Trout spoon, whatever.
Small beast, you don't want to spoon it too much. And you don't make...
Oh, that was so easy to get off. I can take another photo if you want, of you flying. He's almost hitting me. Oh my god. No.
Right in the back, right in your back. Right?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's just on my shirt.
Lower back, lower back.
Can you get it maybe? Because I can't see my back.
Try to keep it just barely.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I don't care.
Shit, my bad.
You're good. All right, this is...
Grab some sand, look right here. This is sand.
All right, you're good.
Let's go!
You on? On the fly rod. Is it Smalley? Yeah. Yeah! Let's go.
No!
You got a trout?
No.
You got a trout.
Not kidding. Like that long.
Come on. What did you do? How did you lose it? Trout. Let's go. Wait, that's not a trout. What is that?
Mine was bigger.
That's not a trout. It's like a silverfish. Look at that. What is that?
I don't know.
It looks like a bass of sorts. There he goes. Was that the same one? That like same
Mine
kind?
was like bigger. Mine was like that long. It wasn't a trout. Oh, yes. I bet it was a trout. Come on again.
Another chub.
Can we identify? Smalley.
Yeah, we can identify.
Nice Smalley, too.
Wow, look at that. All right, this thing should work. It's bright and small. May not be shiny. Another Smalley. Dude, you're catching fish like it's nothing.
It's just lure, man.
Oh yeah, baby. I can cast far with this. Oh. Get it. Oh no. He was right there. Literally right.
Killed him.
Oh. Tiny bass.
Put on.
Yeah, baby.
That's not tiny.
Oh, that's not.
Oh, choke.
Well, it's a big scope.
Come here.
It's fine.
That's
This
a
hook,
nice
this hook
fish.
is good. Yeah.
Wait. That's a chub.
Yeah. I got it. I got it.
It's just like the first one I caught.
Yeah, that's a chub.
Very. I caught it! Oh, dude! I just caught it.
Wait, did the line break?
No,
Oh,
he fell out of my hands.
And it was calm and then it just
All right.
started flopping.
I'll take a pic quick. All right, first ever scub. Chub.
Made the same
I keep saying
mistake
scub.
twice.
First ever chub. He's not very chubby, but he is a chub.
He's got me.
They're very slippery.
I was going to say that one.
There you go.
Well, 2 new species in 2 days. No, 1 day. I've caught 2 new species today. That's pretty sick.
Dude, I honestly just really want to just
Oh, I'm on.
shoot my dragon as much as I possibly can.
Molly.
And just let him fight.
Yeah. I feel like that's so fun.
Another Smalley, tiny Smalley. That's the name of the game today. It's tiny Smalley. All right, tiny little guy. We'll see him.
He's a huge fish.
Look at this tree right here. This is sick. Oh.
I think it was a record big smaller. Look at this fish.
Whoa! Oh, he might have won. Am I still on? Oh, I'm still on. I almost fell and I'm still on. Let's see. Are we tripled up? We're tripled up again. Another little guy. They go after things half their size. No, not even half their size. Almost their size. Oh my God, I'm on a fish. Oh my God. Oh, it might be big. Okay. Yeah, it is. I am trying. Oh, dude, I was just letting line out. Oh, it's big. It's big. It's big. If it's a smallmouth, it's my biggest. Let's go.
That's nice, dude.
Nice job.
Dude, on the smallest bait ever. Let's go. Finally. Look at that.
I
Wow.
can tell you right now how big that is. It's a pound. That's what I've been catching, what I was catching earlier.
All right, we'll set you free now. Be free.
Chub.
Oh. Got him. Triple up, Barrows, triple up. It's time to triple up. Just catching fish left and right. This guy wasn't lying, dude.
Why is he creeping?
Oh, I'm still on. He's so tiny though. Another one. Smallmouth central, bro. Stop moving. Unhook and just keep going, man. Just keep going. It's like one after another. And I'm on. Another tiny one. Oh, look at that. Another chub.
Alrighty, and he's gone.
And the chub is gone too. Let's go. Start is on.
Swimming right towards me.
Look at that hoppy day hop hop. Largy?
Nope.
Didn't think so. All right, so we're at a new spot down the road. Same body of water. Way calmer though. So we'll throw some stuff out, see how it does. Did you just say boobs? Boobs? Oh, I'm on. Already, yeah. Oh, he's pulling. Oh, it's huge. It's huge. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. It's in the right side.
Throw it, throw it, throw it, throw it.
Oh, big one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Bring it here, bring it here. Bring it up here.
I'm reeling, I'm reeling.
Don't reel.
Net that, net that, net that.
Stop.
Let's go!
Dude!
Oh my God, dude, that's huge!
Stand up, please.
That is a tank.
Let's go! Ah!
Nice job, buddy.
First cast,
This is where you
dude.
get the scale. Guess who's
First cast. Let's go, dude. This thing is huge.
Oh my God.
That's a good fish.
Oh my
That's sick,
God.
dude.
That might beat out mine.
The,
Can you-
I'm not
definitely.
sure, honestly.
Can you get my phone in that tiny little pocket? Or I'll take yours.
Dude,
Look
put
at
the
that,
fucking tail
dude.
on it.
after you,
You ready?
yeah, after you weigh this, I need to pick with this. Holy. Oh my God. That was electric.
2 pound, 10 ounce.
That's 4 pounds or 4 ounces bigger than mine.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy. All right. So literally first cast, threw it out there right in front of those lilies and just let it sink to the bottom, crushed it. This guy fought real hard. So we're gonna let him go now. 2 pounds, 10 ounces. Beats my 1 pound, 5 ounces earlier today by a long shot. All right, see ya. Thank you for playing. Not that way, there you go. That was awesome.
Still didn't catch it that far.
Cast it further with no weight.
Well, I'm gonna do full blues.
I have a feeling it might be. That happens a lot when I catch something on like first cast. After that, it's just nothing. Like you think like, oh dude, this spot's a honey hole. And it's just not. All right. Tons of smallie today. Caught a new species with the chub. Just an amazing view. Good time fishing. Thanks for watching. See you later. Peace.